Appleton Museum of Art has been closed since mid-March, and we were looking for a way to reach the community. So this summer we put together some art kits. We got a grant from Art Bridges as well as an anonymous donation, and so far we've given out over 3,000 art kits. More recently, Fine Arts for Ocala gave us a donation, and we were able to put 250 more art kits together, and we were looking for a place to donate them to, and I reached out to Joanne Crowder, who is the fine arts specialist for Marion County Public Schools, and she said, actually, we have an opportunity at Evergreen Elementary School. They just had their art teacher leave, and she mentioned that it was about the same amount of bags that we had per student, and it just seemed like a wonderful opportunity. So art is always important. It is a reflection of our creativity and allows us to process what we're going through. And right now it's been a difficult time for a lot of people, and art can be an outlet for the kids and allow them, again, to process what they're going through. And this allows them to each have their own materials. And it's also allowing them to reach out to the community and their friends and family. FAFO provided a postcard in which they can decorate, and it's pre-stamped, and they can mail it back to FAFO, and then it'll be part of the Fine Arts for Ocala art show the next time that happens, as well as Appleton provided a postcard to allow them to connect with friends and family who they might not have seen.